Okay, so right now what we're going to see is the interface of the Vaio movie story. Okay, so once you launch it, you'll actually see this blank screen. Okay, all you have to do is just add in some content. So let me import some files which I have taken from my trip over the weekend. So I'll just drag in all my files. Okay, and if you see this green dot here, it means that it's analyzing the data on the pictures. Once it's analyzed, it should disappear. If it doesn't disappear, that means this picture is not recognized on the database, has not been analyzed before. So right now, all I have to do is say, I know that this picture is tilted, I have to just give it a rotation. Okay, now if you see these three green buttons up here, it actually means whether I'll turn on the face recognition or not. Right now, if I turn on the face recognition over here, okay, you can see that if I turn on all three, you see that there are some of this
highlighted.
Has been highlighted, yes, correct. And the reason why they're highlighted is because there are faces in those. In movies, you notice that yes, it's not showing any faces at the moment of time, but inside, you actually have some recognizable faces, which is why it has been highlighted. So right now, what you need to do, this is after importing in, the next step what I need to do is just to select a theme. In this case, let me select this theme over here called Wind and Waves, and I can just change the track. So I can specify my own track by selecting a music, and of course I can hang on. And of course it's like I can synchronize the length of the movie with the track. So what happens is, previously if you have a 3.22 seconds music file, for example, to synchronize exactly 3.22 seconds is like almost impossible. We have to listen and watch for it and to time every animation accordingly. But over here, all I have to do is just turn this on. It will calculate everything for me. Okay, and I leave it at 16.9 aspect ratio. And that's it I need to do. I can also give it some titles. What I mean by titles here is like I can actually have main title, who participated in this event, and the end title, the credits basically. And with this, okay, I am ready to actually begin the compiling of this whole set of pictures into a movie. So what I have to do is just click on start at the bottom corner. Okay, let me get to the start button. Okay, there you go. If I click on start, you notice that it takes less than a minute to generate a preview. This preview lets you have a rough idea of what your final product is going to be. If you're happy with it, you can click export. Okay, right now I'm not typing any title, so it tells me that I can type in the title from there. Then this is the animation. You notice that it's quite small resolution. What happens is that this is a quick preview that allows you to see. Okay, so I can of course like tweak the movie further. By clicking on tweak movie, I can notice that all my thumbnails appear. It shows me which section of the thumbnail is playing back. I can enter comments if I want, and if I'm not happy with this, I can click recreate to go back to my previous mode and to choose a further theme as well. So I mean, let's say that I am happy with it and I click export, and what I'm going to get at the end of it is this result. Okay, this is the same movie file that has been created using the same pictures that I've done just now. And notice that this is high def. Yeah. The still pictures are in high def, but the video is a bit low def because I shot it with a compact camera. It's only about 320 by 240.